Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I was able to make a little bit over $1,130.02 in just a little bit under an hour of trading. So if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, you would have seen me make a majority of this money. I think I was up about $750 as I was trading live. If you guys are wondering what the Learn Plan Profit Group is, it's the first or second link in the description if you want to learn a little bit more about that, and you get to watch me trade live every single day. I'm going to keep it super short and sweet, and I have an update for you guys, especially for those that tune in for my daily recap videos, because our YouTube channel is completely going to change. But I'll talk about that in just a little bit. One of the things that happened is the market opens at 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's in Arizona, right? As natural gas was selling off, natural gas, this is /NG, this is a future. As natural gas was, as the market was about to open, so 6:30 is right here. The market was about to open, natural gas had a huge sell-off. I started trading live during pre-market hours and then went live with the Learn Plan Profit Group as they got to see me buy the dip on natural gas. I didn't actually buy natural gas. I traded the actual ETF, which is UGAS, as this thing sold off. Why would I do that? Well, based off of yesterday's patterns, one of the main things that I like to focus on overall low points and high points. I want to make sure that I'm getting a good deal to be able to sell it for a profit. I did not know 100% that it was going to, bounce. All I knew is that I wanted to buy the dip, an effort that if it did begin to show signs of a reversal, like it has before based off previous patterns, I could simply add more to my position size. So I didn't go in like, let's say you have $10,000 in your account. I didn't buy $10,000 worth of UGAS down here. So what I did was I bought, what I normally do is I buy 1/3 or 1/4 of what my ultimate whole position size is going to be. So I ended up trading this, with $50,000 at the very end of it. But I first took my initial position of $20,000. It began to show signs of an uptrend. I added another $20,000, and then it began to show signs more of an uptrend. I added $10,000. So I was in with about $50,000. It got close to the middle VWAP, and just like I explained I was going to, I locked in profits. That led within like 14 minutes, $508 profit. It continued to push up. It continued to push up. It continued to push up. And then guess what? It became overbought and overextended. And just like we have talked about so many times before, again, looking at previous patterns, looking at previous high points, I talked about it and I went a little bit more in depth in the live trading on why I somewhat hinted that natural gas wasn't going to make, or go up to previous highs. So feel free to watch that recap video if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, as you could rewatch any of the live trading sessions. But what I decided to do is, because I saw natural gas to be a little bit on the overbought side, I decided to buy the dip on DGAS. It began to consolidate. Again, I went in with a $10,000 position size, so not very aggressive. It began to show signs of somewhat of an uptrend, added $10,000, began to show signs of an uptrend, added $20,000, and then it began to really push up. I locked in profits at 103.37, and then guess what? Sold off. So ultimately, made $622.02 altogether on the day, leading to a $1,030.02 profit. So right now it's 8:06 a.m. You can see that the total amount of fills, which are my actual orders, are 10. My commission, as you can see, when I enter to buy something, it's $3 per trade. And again, that's because I was able to negotiate my commission, just like I've talked about in the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, that you can do yourself as well. So you guys can do the math on the number of orders. Again, $30 not bad for the overall commissions that I paid today. If you guys have seen the past couple of days, we've been staying very consistent. This was, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday. It was $1,009.42. And then feel free to check out this video as well. I recapped and showed my profits for Monday, and that was about $1,019. So I've been consistently hitting my daily goal of the over $1,000 profit. And I've been trading with anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 per position. So I aim anywhere from 1.5 to 2% on a daily basis. Again, I'm not under the PDT rule. I've been trading for a while, and that's just a goal that I set for myself that is still somewhat aggressive, especially if you're someone that's just getting started. We have a lot of amazing Learn Plan Profit members and TechBud Solution members that set a weekly goal of anywhere from 2 to 5%. So again, if you're someone that's just getting started, I would solely just focus on paper trading, practice everything that you are learning, and making sure that whatever it is that you are learning actually sticks, that the information makes sense, right? And not be so focused on the monetary aspect, as it's going to take time for you to even get there. So again, if you're going to be asking the question, how could you work with me on a closer basis? How could you watch me trade live? And if you're a beginner, how could you learn how to trade in a structured way? Well, first, I have a bunch of videos on YouTube. You can learn that way, but that's not going to be very structured because information is all over the place and it's not straight to the point. If you really want to learn from me and you see value in the way that I break things down and you like my track record and how consistent I am, I would encourage you to dedicate 4 minutes. Click that first or second link in the description. It says watch me trade live every day and learn a little bit more about what the Learn Plan Profit Group is, what it has to offer. It shows you a sneak peek of our live trading as well. There's 3 videos. I would encourage you to watch those 3 videos. If you don't have anything to do today, I think it's something that could be of value. Now, when it comes down to a little update, again, just wanted to provide you for those that are tuning in late, $1,130, and then just explain what it is that I traded and why. One of the things that I wanted to leave you guys with is my YouTube channel is completely going to change now. I'm not going to be uploading a recap video anymore, and I'm not going to be uploading a second video anymore. We want to make sure that I focus a little bit more on quality information, or at least quality videos, and at least we're going to give it a shot. So I'm going to be changing the style, and I'm going to be uploading one public video every day, and it's not going to just be a straight recap, and it's not going to just be a straight helpful video. I'm going to be working a little bit more with the Learn Plan Profit Group, and providing them with a recap video on top of the live trading. But when it comes down to the overall video that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube, I think it's going to be a little bit more enjoyable. It's going to be the whole process through my day with little sneak peeks of kind of like how much it is that I'm up, and different things that I do throughout the day. So I'm just going to give it a shot, just trying to change things up as we surpass 530,000 subscribers. I hope that this is something that you guys are willing to kind of like ride with me on, and just give it a shot. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you guys haven't subscribed, we have over 1,100 videos that you're more than welcome to check out. And again, if you would like to work with me on a closer basis, please click that first or second link in the description to learn a little bit more about that. I'm absolutely done trading for the day. It's 8:09 a.m. I have a bunch of work that I have to catch up on, and it's also Justin's birthday, who's one of my partners for TechBot Solutions and Learn Plan Profit. So if you guys know him, feel free to shout him out and give him wish him a happy birthday. But altogether, I wish you guys an amazing rest of your day, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note.